2-channel audiophile grade interconnects. Made from 100% oxygen-free copper for a pure uninterrupted transfer of power. Tru-Spec cables/wires. Tinned conductors for corrosion resistance. Mini-ANL, MIDI, style fuse holder, SPD5801, for maximum power delivery and safety. This Stinger 4000 series 4-gauge power and signal wiring kit is designed specifically for car audio systems up to 1500 watts or 150 amps. It includes everything you need for installation, including power wire, ground wire, remote turn-on wire, fuse holder, fuse, ring terminals and mounting hardware. Do the job right with Stinger. Top reviews from the United States. High-quality wires, great value. Great wire for upgrading my Hummer H3. The wire is very flexible, which make routing a lot easier. This kit supposedly does not include the RCA cable, but they send me one with it anyway. I bought Stinger 6-channel RCA and 9 wires cables separately, and they are great also. The wires are surprisingly flexible for its gauge size. The protective sheathing is of very high quality and certainly provide adequate protection. I'm certainly a big fan of Stinger's products. It does what it's supposed to very well for a reasonable price.